Welcome to Easy English with Chani. In this lesson, we learn easy daily English sentences, morning routine in the bathroom.
I go to the bathroom.
I go to the bathroom.
I turn on the tap.
I turn on the tap.
I wash my hands with soap and water.
I wash my hands with soap and water.
I wash my face.
I wash my face.
I use soap.
I use soap.
I rinse my hands. See? All clean.
I rinse my hands. See? All clean.
I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
I use toothpaste.
I use toothpaste.
Water. I spit water.
I spit water.
I rinse my mouth.
I rinse my mouth.
I wipe my face.
I wipe my face.
I use a towel.
I use a towel.
I dry my hands.
I dry my hands. I look clean. I look clean. I feel clean. I feel clean.
I smile.
I smile.
I turn off the tap.
I turn off the tap.
I leave the bathroom.
I leave the bathroom.
I walk slowly.
I walk slowly. I feel fresh. I feel fresh. Subscribe me for the next lesson.